So I have 5.3K. Let's do the start for this video here. Okay, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we go. So I am running 60 frames per second at 5.3K. So this is the fastest this thing can do with the most data possible. Look at that. Oh, the dog is here. So I did work here with my Japanese beetles here that are all over this tree, and they are messing around on here and they are eating the tree. If you look at the leaves, look at this, how they are eaten. And that is because there is those bugs in the tree. Let me see if I can find one. I was annoying them earlier. Look at the damage. How many of those are gone? Isn't that nuts? There's one. Look at him. Here is one. There you can see it. I can't get closer with the GoPro because the GoPro cannot focus on it. But so you can shake him off. See, now he falls off, goes and lands on the ground. Because they lay their larvae or their eggs into the ground. There's another one here. It's busy eating. Oh, it almost got me. They don't bite. It's like no reason to be afraid. But what I did was I sprayed the whole tree with water from underneath. So I sprayed them all off. And then many of those go on the ground. And that's when the birds come to visit. And the birds come to visit, and then those things get eaten. Well, that's how that goes. And I hope those things don't start eating all my other plants here. They were expensive as they are. Oh, they are very dry. They need water. Look at that. That one is good. This one is good. Here, slow motion. Here, look at the thing. It's eaten here. Damn. Do they go on those two? That's not good. This one is fine. This one is good. This one is good. Here's another good one. Did survive it. And slow motion. No, I hit you in the chest. There you go. There we go. Here. Damage. There. It's the same box. Those beetles, they kill your whatever $100 of plant. This one is preparing for flowers, or butterflies are coming to visit. Oh, look, a butterfly. Right. So, this is going to be a little 4-minute video here. Whoa, Lucy. 3, 2, 1, and off.